Hello, entrepreneurs and small business owners. Today, we are going to guide you through the process of creating a SMEDAN account for your business. SMEDAN, or the Small and Medium Enterprise Development Agency of Nigeria, offers numerous benefits, including access to government and private sectors, grants, trainings, and many more. So, without wasting much time, let's get started. First, let's understand what SMEDAN is and how it can benefit your business. With SMEDAN, you can get your business backed by the government, access financial services, and take advantage of private sector's opportunities. How to get this SMEDAN certificate. In this video, I will be teaching you step by step on how to get the SMEDAN certificate. Now, step 1, to your Google and complete the registration setting. The first thing you need to do is to visit the SMEDAN website or Google on your phone. Click on it like this, search for SMEDAN register. This page is going to come out. If you scroll down the page, you are going to see where it's going to instruct you to start filling the registration form. Fill the registration form with your company name, your phone number, email address, and a secured password. After you've done that, you click on next, where it's going to direct you to the next place to fill some registration. So after that first information, it's going to bring you to the second place, which is going to ask you to fill in your business information. Type in your name, your phone number, the year your business, the year you started your business, and everything. Just type it there. Your business location, the state, local government, and if your business is an online business, or if you have a store, anything, just type it in and fill the form. It's very easy to understand. Just fill everything that you need to fill, choose everything rightly, correctly, and then you are good to go. It's going to ask you if you've registered with CAC before. You can either say yes or no, it depends. And then it's going to ask you for your how much you earn a month, how many staff do you have in your establishment, and everything. Okay, informations are very easy to understand. After that, you click on next. As soon as you click on next, it's going to direct you to the next page, which is business owner. Who owns the business? Is it yours? Fill in the person's name that owns the business, your name, your first name, your last name, the position of that person, or everything. Just fill it like that. So this SMEDAN, you have 4 categories. So it's going to take you through the process from the first to the last. Just put in the position of the person. If you're a female, you put it there, your age and everything. After that, you click on your bank registration, which is your BVM. It's going to ask you to provide your BVM and everything. Basically, step 4 is all about your company description. Define your business sectors, feed, and give a detailed description of what your company does and the services it offers to consumers. So that is it. After the filling of the form and the information, read the agreement statement, and then read the agreement statement and all. So after that, hit on the submit button. Your SMEDAN certificate will then be sent to your email address. Make sure your email address is correct, because that is where you're going to get your certificate. And that is it. You have just learned how to create your own SMEDAN account for your business. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more business related content, and share this video with others. Have any question or experiences with SMEDAN, leave them in the comments below. Bye. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best in your business endeavors with SMEDAN. Bye.